Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a little dessert for St. Patrick's Day. I've mentioned before that I'm really trying hard not to have sugar, so I actually found this interesting Weight Watchers recipe on Pinterest, and I'm gonna give it a whirl and see how it tastes. But it's green, so it's perfect for St. Patrick's Day. So I hope that everybody enjoys. But let me show you what we got for ingredients. It's really easy. There's only 3. So you need to get the sugar-free, fat-free pistachio jello pudding mix. It said Greek yogurt or low-fat yogurt. I just got the Walmart Greek yogurt to try it with in the vanilla flavor. And then to add a little crunch, you put a little bit of grape nuts cereal on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on mixing it up, and I'll show you as I go along or put it on the screen, something of that nature. Okay, so to start, it says to use 1 tablespoon of this pudding mix. So I guess you could make this more than once. All right, and then secondly, it says 1 cup of the yogurt. I'm gonna see if this is a cup or not. All right. Not usually a fan of Greek yogurt. It always tastes a little bitter to me, but we're gonna try it and see. So it looks like I'll need 2 of these. Good thing I bought 2. So for this part, I'm gonna make them look prettier by putting them, actually, I think I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag so I can kind of squeeze it into these little juice glasses to make it look prettier. It's definitely thick now that the pudding has started to mix into it. So I got it in a Ziploc bag, and then I just snipped the corner down here so you can use it kind of like a pastry bag. This actually is really handy also if you're making deviled eggs for Easter, which is coming up. It just makes it easier to get them back into the eggshells. And they look neater than trying to use a spoon. So I'm gonna just work it down to the corner. It's just very thick, I will say this is, and otherwise it probably would have fallen down to the corner already. But there we go. So, I don't know if you can see this. And then it says just to top it with a tablespoon of these grape nuts. Let me move you back up here so you can see. Okay. Which I think I'm just gonna top the 1 maybe. It's supposed to add a crunch element to it, so I'm not real worried about it being too pretty. All right, so here's the kind of final product. Pretty cute in the little glass. Let's try it. I would say it's pretty good. A little hint of pistachio. The Greek yogurt's not bad. It's like a, kind of like having a pudding mousse type texture. And then the grape nuts definitely add like a hint of crunch to it. So this is pretty good for, I mean, what, 3 ingredients? So I would say it's worth it to make. So again, here it is. Trying to show you the side I didn't eat out of. But there's just a simple low sugar St. Patrick's Day dessert that you can make. I hope you enjoyed getting to watch me not bake, but make a dessert, seeing how I'm trying to avoid the sugar. But I hope everybody enjoys St. Patrick's Day and, you know, celebrate safely. And I hope everybody has a blessed day.